It's all about the unity in the dancehall fraternity and the coming together in support of each other. Now, following the plea for assistance for iconic dancehall DJ Tyga, who suffered a minor stroke last month, he was presented with a check to offset some of his medical expenses by the Bounty Killer Foundation. The check was valued at $400,000 and was presented to the DJ by Bounty yesterday. Now, in a statement following the presentation, Bounty says he was delighted to assist where possible, especially to a fellow artist who is facing hard times. Bounty also appealed to anyone who can help to do so. Persons can also donate through the Real Helping Hands website. This platform allows Caribbean residents to create online fundraisers. Dancehall icon Tyga is known for hot songs like When and No Puppy Love, among others. Get well soon. Now, rap superstar Megan Thee Stallion has pulled out of a scheduled performance in Houston following the aftermath of the Astroworld Festival. The Good News rapper, who was slated to perform at the new 730 Music Hall venue on Friday, announced that she will no longer be taking the stage out of respect for the lives lost in Houston earlier last month. Megan, who is a Houston native and performed at Astroworld Fest in 2019, originally announced her performance the day before the tragedy. The performance was in celebration of the opening of the new venue in Houston and her college graduation. Megan also sent her condolence to persons who lost their lives in the tragic incident. I am Daedra reporting for ePrime.